Let's talk about one of the most exciting components in any gaming or creative work setup: graphic cards. These powerhouse pieces of tech can transform your experience whether you're a hardcore gamer, a video editor, or just want smoother browsing. Today, I've got the top 5 best graphic cards that you need to check out. Remember, all the product links are in the description below, and if you want more in-depth reviews and comparisons, don't forget to visit techsideadvice.com. Hey friends, are you looking to upgrade your graphics card? Maybe the latest games are pushing your current setup to its limits, or perhaps you need that extra power for video rendering or 3D modeling. You're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through 5 incredible graphic cards that offer amazing performance, great value, and the kind of specs that will make any tech lover's heart race. Let's jump right in. Number 5. First up, we have the thermal Grizzly Wireview Pro GPU. Now, this isn't your typical graphics card, but an advanced power measurement device designed for those who need to keep a close eye on their hardware's performance. It comes with a sleek OLED display that shows real-time power consumption data, which is super handy if you're trying to optimize your setup. At just $89.90, it's a fantastic tool for enthusiasts and reviewers alike. Plus, with internal and external temperature sensors, you can monitor everything to keep your system running smoothly. The audible alarm feature is a neat touch too. If your system overheats or spikes in current, you'll know immediately. This isn't just for monitoring either. Its power spike detection is perfect for those high-end graphics cards. And it's made in Germany, so you know it's built to last. It's available in normal and reverse versions to suit different card layouts, so you can get the perfect fit for your rig. Number 4. Coming in at number 4 is the Geforce GT 734GG DDR5 low-profile graphics card. This is an entry-level GPU that's perfect for budget-conscious builders or those with small form-factor PCs. Priced at around $79.99, it's quite a steal. It's powered by NVIDIA's Geforce GT 730 HDP and has a 28M GK208 chipset process with a 902 mEHT process with a 902 core frequency. One of its standout features is the support for triple screen output with HDMI, DVI, and VGA options. It's a great card if you need a bit more screen real estate for multitasking. Plus, it's compatible with Windows 11, so you're future-proofed on the software side. It even supports DirectX 12 and OpenGL 4.6, ensuring more stable performance. Whether you're upgrading an old machine or building a new one from scratch, this card offers solid performance without breaking the bank. Number 3. In the middle of our list is the Asus Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 6GB OC Edition. This card is a fantastic middle ground option, balancing power and affordability at $199.99. It's packed with Ampere streaming multiprocessors, which provide exceptional performance with 2x the FP32 throughput. You'll love the improved power efficiency. The 2nd generation RT cores bring next-level ray tracing, and the 3rd generation Tensor cores boost game performance with AI. The axial tech fan design is perfect for keeping things cool, especially with its smaller hub and longer blades that increase downward air pressure. It's compact, fitting into a 2-slot design, making it ideal for smaller setups. And with 6 GB of GDDR6 memory, you'll have plenty of room for high-res textures in games. Whether you're gaming or handling demanding creative projects, this card can do it all. Number 2. Our runner-up is the Asus Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 V2 OC Edition. This card is a beast when it comes to performance, boasting 12 GB of GDDR6 memory and OC mode that boosts clock speeds up to 1867 ms. It's priced at $329.99, making it an excellent choice for those looking to push their gaming or creative work to the next level. The 2nd-gen RT cores and 3rd-gen Tensor cores offer incredible ray tracing and AI capabilities, up to 2x the throughput of their predecessors. It's also designed with an axial tech fan setup to maximize airflow and keep things cool under heavy loads. It's perfect for high-end gaming or demanding tasks like 3D rendering. Plus, its sleek design will look great in any build. Number 1. And finally, the top spot goes to the Asrock AMD Radeon RX 6600 Challenger White 8 GB GDER6. This card offers an impressive blend of power and efficiency with AMD's RDNA 2 architecture. It's priced at $239.99, making it a phenomenal value for what you get. The 7mm GPU provides robust performance, and the 8GB GDER6 memory ensures smooth gameplay and fast render. It supports DirectX 12 Ultimate and PCI Express 4, so it's ready for the latest games and applications. The dual fan design and ultra-fit heat pipe keep it cool and quiet. Also, the stylish metal backplate not only looks great, but adds durability. Whether you're into high-res gaming, VR, or intensive productivity tasks, this card has you covered. Its 0 dB silent cooling makes it perfect for those who need their systems to run quietly. This is undoubtedly a powerhouse in the world of graphics cards. There you have it, the top 5 best graphic cards you can get your hands on right now. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helped you find the perfect card for your needs. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Don't forget to check out TechSideAdvice.com for more in-depth reviews and comparisons, and all the product links are conveniently listed in the description below. Happy gaming and creating!